yeah, this is the eye look using the James Charles palette and a little bit of Revolution. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm just going to be doing a get ready with me, but for all of my face makeup I'm not going to be talking or anything because I want to talk you guys through the eye look at the end. I'm going to be doing a bit of a colorful eye look, so I'm just going to save the talking for then. So if you're interested in seeing my daily makeup routine with a colorful eye look at the end, then just keep watching. So getting into the eyes, I'm going for like a purpley kind of look today. So I just got this thank you NYX shirt that came in the mail today. So I'm going to be taking the Revolution Marvellous Mattes Reloaded palette first. I'm going to be taking this like matte purpley shade. I'm just going to run that through my crease. This is going to be like my transition shade. Now I'm going to go into the James Charles Morphe palette. And I'm going to be taking this shade right here, this like hot purple shade right there. I'm just going to pack that onto my outer corner because it's not blending the way I want it to. So we're just going to pack it on there. Alright, so now I think I'm going to take this like kind of like hot pink-ish shade. I mean, I don't know what you call this. It's not really hot pink, but it's close to hot pink. I'm just basically going to cover everything I just did with that hot pink shade. Then I'm also going to blend it more inward. By the way, guys, like I literally have no idea what I'm doing. I am just making this up as I go. I don't really have a vision for this. I'm just going to make that a little bit more like boom, you know? Okay, that color just took over like really fast. Going back into the Revolution palette, I'm gonna take that light purpley lilac color again and see if I can like mute this down a little bit because I made it way too pink. I mean, I was going for like a purpley pink, but now I'm going to go into this darker purple shade. I'm just applying it to my outer corner again. Alright, so I'm definitely going to be cutting my crease. So I'm just going to like deepen up the crease area with like a really small crease brush with that same purple shade. So I don't know how this concealer is going to do with a cut crease, but we're going to try it. So I'm just going to take some of this concealer on the back of my hand and I'm just going to go for it. Now that my crease is cut, I'm going to take, I think I'm going to take this shade right here. I mean, I don't know how this is going to look on a cut crease, but I'm just going to use my finger to apply it. I mean, oh, okay, yep, it's pretty. Basically just me playing around with my James Charles palette because I like to play around with it. I'm going to take this dark purple from the James Charles palette and I'm going to tap it off. But I'm going to use that to blend in this cut crease. I'm starting to like the eye look a little bit more. Taking that same purple shade on a much smaller kind of like pencil brush, I'm just running it all the way down. Also messing up my cut crease a little bit, but taking the lighter purple shade again, just a little tiny bit to kind of blend this all together. Alright, I'm back. Both my creases are cut and finished. Now we're going to be doing the lower lash line. So for the lower lash line, I think I'm going to take this lighter purple shade. Now taking that darker purple on a bit of a skinnier crease brush, and I'm just going to run that right in the outer corner. Now on a very, very, very skinny little crease brush, I'm going to take some of that purple shade, like lilac purple, and I'm just going to kind of diffuse the edges a little bit. Now that my eyeshadow is done, I'm going to quickly go off camera and put on my liner and put on my mascara and all that, and I will be right back with you guys. Alright, so this is the final look. I'm not good at cut creases, but like, it's not bad either. I mean, the eyeliner I'm wearing is the Eyeko I Do liner, and the mascara is the Thrive Causemetics Liquid Extensions mascara, I think is what it's called. Yeah, this is the eye look using the James Charles palette and a little bit of Revolution. Now I'm going to do my lips and we will be done. Love it. I feel like such a beauty guru. Alright, I think that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you want to see more like get ready with me's. Obviously I'd like to do one which is like my everyday makeup and actually telling you guys about the products and stuff. I knew this was going to be a long video if I talked about all of the face products along with the eye makeup. I kind of wanted this to be a quick get ready with me, but with like an eye look tutorial. Although I'm not professional enough, I don't know if you want to copy this or not, but if you have the James Charles palette, I definitely think this is a cute look, and if someone wants to recreate it and probably do better than me, that would be cool. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I already said that. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would love to have you here. I would love to hear your ideas on what kind of videos I should do next. I am always taking requests. I post videos every Saturday, and I will see you guys next Saturday. Bye!